Yeah. Vaibhav, Sabu. This Galaxy A9 is, what's the name? Sabu. Please change your name.
Vaibhav.
Sabu has joined. Vaibhav Sabu has joined. But I don't know what is the name of this Galaxy A9. Who is that?
Rana.
Yeah, kindly mute your microphone, all of you. Hiyan,
Avani Tirthani.
काय नाव तुझं?
Avani Tirthani.
अवनी. Okay. अच्छा, अवनी आपले वसंत विहारची का?
Yes.
येस. तुझा चेहरा बघितल्यावर कळलं मला. या. Avni, yeah, somebody is Vaibhav Sahu, you please start your video. Rana,
Sir, मेरा video.
start, yeah. Please start your video, Mr. Rana.
Mr. Rana and Vaibhav, both start your video.
Yeah, I have started recording of this. So any of you, if you miss anything, you feel it, you miss anything, you can review the entire video. Okay. The link will be sent to you after the class is over. Now let us move to actual chess, because all of you are very much eager to learn about it. So first I am going to share the screen. Just see the screen. Yeah, this is the chessboard. So what is to learn about chessboard? Chessboard has got many squares, you can see. So there are 8 squares in a line or in a row. Okay. So this is row. We call it as a row. Okay. And these are columns or vertical lines, all of them. So we can say they are standing lines and these are sleeping lines. Very easy to understand. Standing and sleeping. Now, how many total squares are there? If I ask you, can anybody answer this question? Total, how many squares? You will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. And 8, 8 just 64 would be your answer. But that is not the correct answer, because these all small squares, they are 64. But there are, see, these 4 squares, they form 1 square. That is, we call it as a 2 by 2 square. Or there is a 3 by 3 square also. Or there is a 4 by 4 square also. So in all, there are 207 squares on this board. 207. Okay, but that is, this information, even if you do not have, it doesn't matter at all. What you require is you require to remember the name of these squares. All these 64 squares have a name. Please mute. All these 64 squares has got name. Now, if I tell you all 64 names, would you be able to remember all those names in a short time of 5 minutes? Say 5 minutes? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then I am going to tell you the trick. And after learning that trick, I am sure you will be able to remember all those names in a span of 10 seconds or 15 seconds only. such a easy trick. Look here, all these squares or all these lines, vertical lines or standing lines, they are given the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. All of you can see this clearly. A, B, C, D is written. So this
Yes, sir.
entire line is A line, and this entire line is a B line. So all these squares, 8 squares, they come under A. Similarly, this slipping line is 1, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, so on, line number 8. Line number 8. So if I select this square lies in line number A also and line number 1 also, both. So I can say this is A1, this is A2, A3, A4, A5. So easy. Now you tell me, what is this name of this square? In which line it comes?
D4.
D4. अरे इतना जल्दी आ गया. What is this? What is the name of this square? This one.
F6.
Hey, these students are very clever. They are learning very fast. F6. Then what is this?
H1. A1.
H1. Very good. Very good. So now every square you can name it. I said about 10 seconds, but I think it required hardly. Please, my request is please mute your microphone. And you can speak with the thumb language. When I ask you, you speak, and again you mute it. You unmute and you mute it. Okay. So now you know, you understand. Fantastic. Now we will come to this board. I am going to show you 2 more boards differently. Just watch them. Yeah. Can you see this board? Everybody? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this is a different board. I am showing you 2 different boards. Okay. Now there is nothing written over here. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing is written over here. Now, can you make out what is the difference? Look at them very intently, carefully. This is board number 1 and this is board number 2.
सर बोर्ड नंबर 1 में B और C लिखा है.
Oh, sorry, I will take them out.
सर बोर्ड नंबर 1 का कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स वाइट है.
Yes, who is that? Good. Who is that?
सर
Who is
आरव.
that? Wow.
Sir, Arav.
Very good, very good. Now, Arav, my request is to you is that you will be speaking only last when I ask you next time, because I know that you are much clever and you are in 6th standard, and all other my students or our students, they are in 1st, 2nd and 3rd standard. So I want them, you and me will give them chance first to speak, and if they can't, then you are there to give the answer. Okay, done.
Okay, sir.
Fantastic, thank you. So what he said is that here board number 2, it has a white square in the corner, right hand corner, and everybody can see right hand corner, and this, sorry, board number 1 has got white square and board number 2 has dark square. Here the color of the square is blue, but usually we say light square and dark square. So which board you will use? Here you are going to sit like this, upper side and lower side. Huh? So you will place the board like this, or you will place the board like this. Which one? First or second? First or second?
First.
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 First. Second. Because you do not know the rule. That's all. So no problem about it. I am here to teach you. Don't worry. Here the rule is every time when you set up the board or when you play on any board, you see that right hand corner of the board should be white or a light square. That is the international standard rule. If right hand side is a dark square, you just rotate that board 90 degree, clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then you start setting up the pieces. Is it very clear? And how to remember two rhyming words, right, light. These are rhyming words. So you can remember these words very easily. Right and light. So right hand side should be a light square. Okay. You can write this rule always
Okay,
in your notebook. Right, light. This is the first rule which I have told you about the board. Now coming back to our this board, what is this? Again, because we have seen column or standing line and sleeping line or rows, then what is this? This is called as diagonal. Diagonal. Okay, everybody just have to remember this name, nothing else. It's a diagonal or हम लोग बोलते हैं टेढ़ा line. As simple as that. All these squares are coming in a टेढ़ा line. Okay. Now we will come to the pieces. Everybody. Now this is the king and this is the queen. White king and white queen. How to differentiate them? The differentiation will be always and always every king will have a cross on his head. The king has a cross. Queen will not have the cross. Okay, so that is the difference. Easily you can make out any kind of piece you use because there are different kind of pieces. Fancy pieces also come, but whatever the fancy pieces are there, the cross has to be there. It is very easier to differentiate between king and queen. Very clear? So this is black queen and this is black king and queen. Now, can anybody tell me what is this? Very easy.
Horse.
Horse. Very good.
Horse.
Yes, very good. Horse. In chess, we call it as knight. K-N-I-G-H. Okay. So we will be using this name. Even if you use a name horse, it doesn't matter. No issues about it from my side. You can use as horse. Call it horse, no issues. But in English language, it is better that you call it knight. Very clear? So this is white knight. This is also white knight. This is black knight. Now, this is all of you. If session disconnects, you have to rejoin. Okay. This is what it is. Can anybody tell me? Camel. Perfectly.
Bishop.
Perfect. Both are correct. It is called as camel here in India, or in a chess language internationally, it is called as bishop. So you can write it in your notebook. Bishop. B-I-S-H-O-P. Bishop. And what is this?
Rook.
Absolutely right. Or elephant.
Elephant.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So this is the elephant. It looks like a leg of elephant, no? It looks like a leg of elephant. So this is an elephant. India, we call it elephant. And internationally in a chess language, it is called as rook. R-O-O-K, rook. हिंदी का रुक नहीं, हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं रुक जाओ, तो वो रुक नहीं है. Okay? Very good. And what is this last?
Pawn.
Pawn or in our language what we say? Army man, or what we say pyada or sainik or a soldier. You can name it anything. Soldier, very simple, soldier. But this is, we in chess language, we call it as a pawn.
Pawn.
Now, if I ask you, who is most influential or powerful among all these pieces?
Queen.
And why is that?
King.
Why?
King.
Your answer is correct, but why?
Sir, pawn means
Avani, you had given the answer. Okay, so I want it from you.
queen.
Just because everybody tells you that king is powerful, you are saying that, then this is not the correct way. You, all of you can ask me always a question, why? There should be a reason behind it. Do not accept everything what I tell you or what anybody tells you. Don't accept it. You must ask why. There should be a reason behind it. And there is always a reason. Chess is a game of reasoning. So, there is a reason why king is most powerful. As I told you, this game is very ancient. Ancient means at least 700 years old. So that time all kingships was there. In many countries there were kings. And king was always and always described as a god. That time, whatever king says is the last word. For all his subjects, king is always God. So here also it is like a God. It never dies. God, whether God dies, have you heard about it? Anybody? God has died. Oh, due to long age. Oh, बहुत बुढ़ा हो गया. कोरोना हो गया वगैरह ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना. So the king never dies. Never go out of the board. You will always find on the board both the kings. Okay, you cannot uh, capture the king. What you can do is you can trap him. That's all. Trapping the king is okay, but you cannot capture and take him out. And that is why he is the most powerful on the board. But in reality, while playing, you will find that king is not that much powerful. And other pieces are, they are more powerful than king. So these are the pieces where they are powerful than king. Now, can you tell me who is next more powerful among the pieces apart from the king? Anybody?
Queen.
Okay.
Elephant.
Look has said queen.
The elephant.
Elephant. Somebody said elephant. Fantastic. Yeah.
Of the
So I think I heard Shlok saying queen. So I would like to hear from Shlok. Why?
Queen is not powerful. He can move
She can. Queen. Queen is a lady. She can.
anywhere, sir.
She can move anywhere. That is why. But everybody can move anywhere. There is no restriction for anybody to move. All pieces can roam entire board. All pieces can roam. Then why you are saying queen? Why she is strong?
Queen can move anywhere, any steps.
Anywhere and any steps. Okay, your answers are half answers. You are correct. Shlok and Aditya both are correct, but these answers are not complete answers. There is one more part to it. I will come to that. Anybody else? Anybody else want to add something? Yes, Mr. Rana, you would like to add? Arav? Arnav?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then I will tell you this little letter. Okay, little letter.
I will add, sir.
Yes, yes, Mr.
Hello.
Rana.
Yes, I can add that
Yes, please.
there is no limitation for queens. She can move anywhere, any steps. I think that is the key factor.
Okay. I will tell this thing in a little different word. I will explain that to everybody. It will be what you said is right, but there is in a very different form. I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, if I ask you, I will ask Arav. Arav, you and Arnav, who is strongest among you? Both of you. Who is strong? How you will decide? Okay, if I ask Ishan and Arav, both are in 5th and 6th standard. Okay, so which strong? How can I decide? There must be a certain criteria which will give me the idea that Ishan is stronger than Arav or Arav is stronger than Ishan. Okay, so that criteria is very important. For example, I will ask them to run from point A to point B. Say it is 100-meter race, and one who runs faster, he is stronger. So this is a criteria I can decide. Okay, or I can say uh, play a game of chess, and one who wins, he is stronger mentally. Okay, there are different criteria. So for every criteria, we can decide that one is who is stronger and who is not stronger or less stronger. Here the question is more stronger and less stronger. Everybody is strong. So we will put this criteria to all the pieces and we will decide who is stronger and who. Is it very clear? How you will put
Yes,
this
sir.
criteria?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will put them to a running race. Some race, we will put this, some criteria will be there. In the meantime, what you do, please note this, what I am saying, giving you. Yeah, you can see this.
ईयरफोन दे दो मैं सुनता हूँ
All of you can see this. So please note this down in your notebook. And if it is taking little time, then you can take a snap of this and you can write it little later. I am giving you 2 minutes. In the meantime, I will have little water and come back. Please stay here.
रियल में स्पर्श हो गया चीज़
हमारा जो हेडफोन दो ना
नहीं आगे क्या चलना मरीज
application add kari to etre mate tik add kari mu dekhi tu kon korto tu boto answer kono mane question question na audio question na